I bet you didn't know that your loyal companion could become a threat until today. Dogs are often referred to as man's best friend, but what happens when that friendship turns dangerous? Each year, thousands of dog owners report attacks from their own pets. These incidents can result from various factors, including lack of training, fear, or even medical issues. To protect yourself and your furry friend, always ensure your dog receives proper training and socialization. Recognizing signs of aggression early can make a world of difference. If your dog shows sudden changes in behavior, consult a veterinarian to rule out any health problems. Remember, a well-trained dog is not just a happy companion, but a safe one too. Stay informed, stay safe, and cherish your bond responsibly.